Madhav Institute of Technology, located in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, has received an overall rating of 3.7 from students on Shiksha.com. How are the BTech courses offered here? Let's find out in this detailed college review, starting with the placements rated 3.5 stars. According to the NIRF 2024, 809 students graduated in 2022-23 with a placement rate of 70%. Meanwhile, 3% of the students opted for higher studies. The placement rate stood at 70%, showing dynamic trend over the years. Meanwhile, the median salary was 4.5 lakh per annum, showing a 13% rise compared to 2021. According to students, top recruiters at Madhav Institute of Technology and Science included Google, Bharat Electronics Limited, and Netflix, offering roles such as graphic designer, web developer, software engineer, and chief executive officer. In 2024, the highest salary offered on campus was 25.56 lakh per annum, while off campus it reached 1 crore rupees. In comparison, MITS offers a similar median salary to Ujjain Engineering College. In 2024, 873 students completed internships, with 311 receiving stipends. Opportunities included Google, DRDO, TCS, Accenture, and Wipro, though students note limited on-campus offers. 3 summer internships are mandatory, institute level, soft skills, and on-job training. Moving on now to the academics, where the BTech program rated 3.8 stars offers 17 specializations. This includes information technology, computer science and business systems, mathematics and computing, and electronics and telecommunication engineering. The institute also offers a BTech for working professionals. Admission requires 45% in class 12th and JEE main scores. The 2024 cutoff shows increased competition for civil, electrical, mathematics and computing, computer science and design, while it has eased for information engineering, chemical engineering, and AI and ML. The program cost for the 4-year BTech is 5.4 lakh rupees, with hostel fees at 4 lakh rupees. Now let's talk about the infrastructure rated 4 stars. The 45-acre campus is equipped with Wi-Fi, air-conditioned ICT-enabled classrooms, seminar halls, specialized labs including basic mechanical, IC engine, vibration and noise, and a library. Students appreciate the hostel facilities and the tasty meals provided in the mess and canteen. The campus also offers extensive sports facilities like badminton, volleyball, and basketball. Moving on now to faculty and course rated 3.8 stars. MITS faculty is highly qualified, with many holding degrees from prestigious institutions like IITs, NITs, and the University of Leeds. Faculty members are known for their subjects' fluency and supportive approach. The institute has an academic collaboration with IIT Gandhinagar and Jivaji University Gwalior and has industry tie-ups with Infosys Limited and IBM India Private Limited. Turning our attention to campus life, which has received a rating of 3.8 stars. With 7 professional bodies and 51 student clubs for photography, cultural and technical activities, the institute hosts mini fests and offers seminars, expert talks, and workshops to foster personal and professional growth. Lastly, Madhav Institute of Technology and Science is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024. For more details on Madhav Institute of Technology, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.